in the mood, get the tongue in the mood, get the feel with life. Tongue in the mood, tongue in the mood, get the feel with life. Tongue in the mood, get the tongue in the mood, get the feel with life. Feel with life. Feel with life. Feel with life. Feel with life.
Man, I woke up to a sea of bears. Bears took this over like it ain't shit. Morning, everyone. Whoever's watching, thank you for watching. None of this financial advice. La da da. It's your boy Doom. If you're taking advice from people on YouTube, well, shame on you. But with that said, man, they sold off. We busted out the channel. It's almost 9. Let's do a little market analysis before we hop on something, or at least make some sort of a game plan, because this shit's so extended that it's just scary. We're gonna shut that off. That AC gonna kill me. Are we gonna chase into this? I know that the obvious professional thing to do is wait for the pullback. Let's do a little bit of, let's take a look at NASDAQ and what happened overnight. So we had our channel from yesterday. This 27-minute chart. Very, very, very pretty. Very clean. Cleano, cleano, cleano. We are finding lows. We're at a very appetizing price for you, boy Doom. 28,800 has been a good low. And I'm a sucker for buying the lows, man. I don't need much to get them 25K accounts funded today. And I'm getting sketched out. We broke out of that channel. We broke new lows. It was at 28, 950. Well, we'll call it 900s. We're broke under. Finagle broke under. We got a lot of single prints. And to be long, in my opinion, because we're running into a previous area of interest. Those people are gone. We had single prints, pulled back, held up. You can't see it from my face. Held up. Area of interest, pulled up, held up, held up. They lost interest. Kind of chopped around, lost interest, in my opinion. for people buying it, lower values. Single prints. I would like to see. There's no drawing tool on this. I'd like to see transactions get built in here. That's an initial balance of Asia from Monday, I believe. Today's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Or wait, today's Thursday. Yeah, so that'll be Tuesday. I want to see transactions get built up at around the 800s for whatever reason, either to confirm the sell and we break under into lower value from last week, or not, or hold the low and start reclaiming because obviously we failed to do that. Your boy Doom coded 340 easy target. Well, it was easy target till we rejected it once, twice, three times. High, lower highs, double bottom, pop, bull strat again. They couldn't jump over. Unfortunately, they could not make it past this red line. The power of the red line. Jesus. And for that point on, low, well, equal low, equalish low, but lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, double top. Last night, what time was that? 6:50. So that was this morning. Damn, I was up at 6:50, man. I should have taken a peek at that. It's probably gonna catch me some of that good stuff, but can't overwork yourself if or think about missed opportunities. You ain't gonna catch every move the market. So let's see how we're gonna what we're gonna work up with what we got. That's with Nasdaq on the 27th. Take a peek at ES. Pretty much the same story with more violence. More violence. We held up quite nicely in this regression channel, and I know looks bearish as F and coulda, shoulda, woulda. Probably some of you caught this. Three people, including me, watching it. Probably somebody cut this break, but when it starts accumulating like that, it's really hard. It's really hard. Same story. Same story. What was that price of interest we had? 75. I call it 50 or 60. Up to interpretation. I'm not gonna be a dick for 5 points, so 5 handles. Yeah, 75, 50. We tried once, twice, okay, ascending lows, good stuff. Failed, lower high, higher low, not equal. Unlike Nasdaq, higher low. So I don't know, S&T guys probably cut some of that. But with that said, lower high, lower low, equal highs, but lower equal, broke under. Let's see what was the news behind that, and let me put these charts to some decent scale. I'm gonna push away the TPO, zoom in on the current. If we're gonna start building transactions, I want to see it, and that'd be about it. Oh, yeah, Thinkorswim not as easy to maneuver the chart as Trading View. I ain't gonna lie to you. So we got one, two, two red bars on the 27. The 2000 ticket, it's trying to find low lows at the 800. Switch to the 5000. It's mighty bearish here, but I'm super skittish of chasing into it. It just can't. It just can't. We made a little base here. Let me mark that just for reference. We're gonna break it or not, but we made a good little base. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. We deviated a lot, and look. Oh, oops. Them levels, bro. Them levels. They've been in here for a minute. We rejected the big price, held, broke under, price check 9 to the dog, to the tick, 975. And we're cooking, but long-term stochastic is pointing up. So with that said, I took several trades this morning. I tried to long and short it, long and in this little chop. I'm green $8. I need $260 to get these suckers funded and a little bit more on the other accounts, including the exit fee I got in there. But that's it. Game plan is more than obvious. We pick a nice time frame and wait for a pullback. In my opinion, 900s is a good place depending how we open. That's it. Easy plan. Easy plan. Oh, what's that? 1,000 a lot on ES. Okay, is this a trend stopper? Looking at the 15, and we got big bar, smaller bar. You know, I'm looking at the bodies. So this body, 11 handles. This body, 10 handles. Well, call it 11. This body, I'm not looking at the stretch, 5.5. And in 12 minutes, gonna find out. But you know, shrinking in size, so selling is slowing down at least for this particular time period. It does not necessarily mean we're gonna shoot right back up or anything. Not excluded. Not excluded. It's the market. Anything at any time. So we wait. We'll wait for the pullback or for a nice break under. But looking at the 27 and 15, even though that it's looking extended, its downside momentum is always more vicious because the money is already in the market and it's sitting below. Unlike buying, you gotta bring in money and liquidity into the market to make the candles move up. You gotta insert into the pot. Not many of you watching it, but I hope you watch it later. This stuff took me years to understand. Not complaining. Ooh, this damn coffee, man. Check out my mug, bro. Check out this mug. This mug. Little darlings. Rock and roll, baby. Little darlings. Uh, switch to MES. Okay. This is worth chasing into, but I'm not. For the sakes of good trading and performance, I'm not chasing into this. They moved 1,000 lot lower. Okay, MQ. We want to switch to a 2,000 tick. It's cooking a break. It's cooking a break. We're below the line. It's cooking a break. If you hold shift, if you hold shift, it will stay horizontal. So yeah, that's about it for pre-market game plan. So we sold off. We broke out. Either wait for the dip buying opportunity to get confirmed by the bigger players, and we jump on the V shape if it's gonna be something like that. Uh, what I know for a fact is that we're selling off, so we're gonna look to catch on that end. It's very sweet, lucrative to take reversion to the mean trades, but those are easier in uptrends than downtrends. Even though that it's a cheap trade and you see the low, the magnitude of the next candle pushing under could be more severe than uh, when we rally. It's not, I don't know, kind of jibba jabba from my experience with the years. So we wait. But Doom, it's bear flagging Doom. Chase into it. Hell nah. Hell nah. It's a break and retest type of market at this point. Sell off, technical sell off. They tried, broke, retest the previous low, broke. If it's really violent, we might not get the retest, but I'm inclined to wait. This would have been a nice trade. It already moved what 30 points. Market too should have taken that, but you know, jibba jabba entertainment. What do we got? 780, 740s. Yeah, about 40 points. Well, it is what it is. If I don't feel comfortable with taking the trade, I rather abstain than chase into it. So, yep. Let's relax. If this whole sell-off was like, you know, I'd rather rather have been up here in the 950s, but I wasn't. So life goes on, brother. Life goes on. On the other hand, I'm gonna switch my screen real quick, and we're gonna revisit and revise the higher time frame like we did yesterday. So, okay, here we go. Boom. Let's go to. Is that it? Yep, that it. I'm looking at MNQ just because it has more volume. It's probably the same story like Nasdaq. Okay, technical sell-off on 1 hour. We're in that price range that I had marked for quite some time here. The 800s to 740s, that low. I'm more interested in the much higher time frame, the 3-day. It might not be a Bollinger breakout, a fake out. I'm sorry, it might not be a Bollinger fake out. It might be a full blown turnaround and bear market. This bar closes. Well, the next one opens up on tomorrow, Friday. So interesting low. Interesting lows. We had 740, 816, and the lowest we've dipped was 28,200. If this is turning around last minute, even though that it's reloading, it could present a deeper pullback. And God forbid these bands expand on the opposite side of the trend. This could really fall today. But we're day traders, so this is not that much of a concern. Making the stochastic extended is not easy. Hey, what up, Eagles, dude? Doing my morning analysis, and well, doing that, I'm missing this sell-off, but it is what it is. It's kind of obvious. We're downtrending, brother. So I was up this morning, but I wasn't ready. I had things to do, morning routine and such. We're definitely breaking down here. I'm uncomfortable just chasing into it. We're pushing a high Elliott wave count. It's not yet a reversal to buy it, and it's, in my opinion, kind of low to try shorting it. Even though that this was a good opportunity here. This was a good opportunity, and I was yapping, and I missed it from the 780s. Well, it is what it is. We'll wait for the next one and relax. How are you this morning, Eagle? Same, especially close to open. Yeah. I mean, it kind of picture perfect on my end, brother. But at the same time, you never know when and where that 150, 200, 300 point cucumba gonna pop up. Especially when these bars are getting like the elastic or the band snap, they call it. Stretching. If it gives, hey, right here, cup of Joe. So I'm not gonna be a super interesting stream, but I gotta figure out how to make the music that I play not to get picked up by the mic, and it's not a filter, it's some sort of setting on OBS, but we ain't gonna need music today, so and still selling. I'm super itchy to buy one. Super itchy to buy one. But we broke under 740. If we reclaim 800s that we clearly rejected like 10 minutes ago. If we take that again I might participate for a 100 point attempt to the 900s. Might. We'll see. We might not see these prices for the next 3 months. Nobody knows. It's scary how these bars are printing long, like printing big before the bell. Let's see how it opens. I think hey buddy, what up? Dude. I think Georgie's on Top Step TV this morning, so so itchy to catch on, bro. Itchy on this Lolo. I had it, but can't go against the trend. Unless these turn around, they're even gonna switch to a 5,000 tick. We gotta break above 8,805, 800, 805. Potentially for me to take an attempt for 70, 80, 100 points to close to the 900s. But until then, 8, 820, 840, 860, 880, that 20 point spread stack of these price levels that we cleared quick, by the way, is where I'd like to see buyers step back in if we're gonna make any attempt of bringing the prices up today, if at all. As far as I know, this could sell to zero. Fuck, I know, bro. Nobody knows. Mm. How are you guys this morning? Thank you for coming by. I appreciate it. Ah, the closer you get to whatever profit target, whatever you got, like I have on these 25Ks, I really like $260, which is not much in this business, but man, I think it's cooking here. Let's see. Is it cooking to the 600s? Let me switch to MES. If I'm gonna make like big attempts, it's gonna be the weak horse. Yeah, let's do that. There's nah, man, on the close of the 15. Nah, I'm not touching it. Not touching it. Ha- hands are on my butt. Under my butt. Nah. 915 looks good. Support resistance flip. Yep, yep. If I can, if we kind of 800s to 900s, I'll try to take that and clear breaks, hold and push above 915, 921 is the price I have. It's definitely going to be something. Hey, we make a V shape. I mean, haven't we guys seen it all? We've seen the V's, we've seen the W's, we've seen the inverted W's, the M's, the east side, the west side, the all that jazz. So, weighty, weighty, weighty. Name of the game. Let's see. Why did we cook around like this? I know there was economic data, but Nvidia sold off overnight. Oh, Nvidia is coming to support as well. That opening wick from yesterday up to 208. I wanted Apple. I wanted Apple above 327 and a half. Probably not going to get it anytime soon. We rejected that price overnight. Microsoft trading below 400s. Meta continued the trend from yesterday's New York throughout the overnight session. AMD push price checking. This is kind of at a good buy point. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's where do I put my stop? That's the thing. Okay, I'm getting the Jackie Tatas. That it's a good buy opportunity. Where do I put the stop? Do I risk $20 on the underlying asset? Well, ES. Do I risk $20 on ES? 20 times what was it? $5 a point. I think yeah. $40. Wait, 20. Oh, do I risk $100 on the open? Hell nah. Not today. Not on this sell off. I used to long these on AMD overnight, 2023. It'll give me pretty much the similar setup. It'll be overextended sell. We're going to open up. The market is going to shoot up. People closing their options and buying back the underlying asset. And I'm going to capture that explosive pullback with few options, make 500-600 bucks, some days more, and just walk away. I'll trade the first 3 to 15 minutes of the market on AMD and be out, or lose the premiums on the options, zero expiration options. Put in 3 to 600 bucks in it. If it makes 3, 6, 12, one morning I had 18, little over 1,800 bucks on one of those trades. It lasted for about 6 months. Still, it just stopped happening. It was good. It was good at the time. Can we speculate that they're gonna buy back at wave 5 and 3 in the open? Could this could just open and spill. You know, I'm gonna be a good lad. I'll buy $3 above where my stop would be. And I'm gonna risk about 2,000 bucks at the open. I hope it gives me the fill and reruns to 80s, 90s. I don't know why this box is here, but it's Top Step X tends to do that. Just drop random shit in the middle of the chart, or it moved. It's probably from these low lows. All right, looks better. How about this? I don't even remember. Okay, so it's marked on the lows. Sometimes I forget why I have these on. Sometimes they just appear from nowhere. I don't know, bro. Let's see, is that based on daily here? This channel? Oh, it's marking ascending lows. It's probably gonna move though. Let me delete it. Might as well delete it. Oh, it's going for it. It'd be the funniest thing that we open up and this straight up shoots, fills me on both entry and exit, and just continues selling. Weekly turned red. Hey, we gotta wait for the week to close to find out. It's the markets. Last minute flip. Nah, it messes it up because I'm gonna abstain from talking trash, but it's the platform. Nice logo, Mr. Fulham. Very nice logo. Yeah, nah, bro. It messes it up even if I switch in between. Look, 5. Okay, I switch to 5. 30, 2 minutes. Okay, I'll pull it. Switch to the 1. Okay, it stayed in. You're right. Yeah, switch to ticks. Yeah, I noticed that. Fuck them. The trading platform. The goose chop chop pop. Pop lock and drop it. Hey, it probably wouldn't feel so good if I didn't take my shower and do my morning routine and show up to the charts and probably was gonna buy the sell off. So I'm glad I didn't. It is making decent lows, but today might be a very boring day. Might be a very boring day. Oh yeah, the VWAP is constantly the VWAP on the tick charts, bro. It's constantly in motion. It's like a over the road truck driver. It's over the fucking map. Hey, we traded with so much handicap and we're still making it, bro. Yeah. Let's try for continuation on MES and MNQ. It is really trying on the MNQ. Yeah, dude, this would have been the trade that would have got me funded. That I call it 80s or 75, 775. Easy 50 points. What do we got? 7 minutes. All right, cheap buy. Risking $12. Back to the top of the range. 2-1. Fighting for quarters. Oh, there's a 250 lot. Okay, come on, do it. I'll take the break even and be greedy. Very greedy. Are they going to pick this up? They're going to pick me out. Yeah, here we go. Yep. I lost $2 on the commission. And it probably slipped me too. We do it again. Pick. Wow. 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 Slip. Yeah, getting violent. Okay, let's go back to MES. Am I going to get that fill long? I sure would. I could. Ah, you bitch. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, licked me and shot up. What do we move? We didn't move shit like 15 points. All right, I'm gonna buy the turnaround. Risk $35 to the low. That's too high. $7.84. A risk 60. Here we go. Dude, I entered long at a place for short. Fuck my life. Giving the market easy money. We got 4 minutes. Yeah, close it is 3 minute and the next one. It's heavy. It's heavy. You know, straight up put it up here. 850s. We got minute and a half till the bell. I'll make it 70. Yeah, I'm moving my stop. And if it starts shooting up wildly, I might hit 14 tick trail. See here. 1 minute, 8 seconds. The 1 minute is reloading, but the 5 is making a relative bottom. It's an okay bet. All right, ding, 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 ding. Let's see it. Oh boy. Would that be it? Would that be it? Hit my stop and fly? That would be the funniest thing, bro. That would be the funniest thing. Let's see. Yes. Not yet filled. I'm going to take these out. What's that? 20 points. Okay. It's not 20 points. Is there data delayed? No, it's not. Okay. I got my finger on the trigger for this. 6 ticks trail. And 3, 2, probably it's gonna smoke me so quick. A little more, little more. I trailed out. Okay. We made some of our money back. I'm gonna wait till we get above 800 potentially, if at all, or short at 770, 5ish. That was a quick little neat scalp. Could have held it, but I didn't. High probability exits. High probability exits. What's he is doing? Yeah, I was never gonna film in that entry. So oh, I was gonna hit the short. Shit. 780. All right, let's short the break. There's $50. A little bit higher. Relative bottom. Oh, you cunt. Here I'm definitely wrong. All right. We push through the 50s, I'll take it out. Add one more up here. Shorting lows, dum dum, shorting lows. Dum dum alert. Yeah, it's at 780. I ain't got the hook yet. Bro, let's go smoke me and then fall. That's a little bit too much. Let's endure some pain. It's gonna make a higher low and turn around, or we gonna break under and continue the trend. Should have taken the break even. Uh, I'll be singing a different song if it falls. So oh, there's so much money above me. What is it? 806. I'll try to hide behind those, and probably that'll be the end of today on one trade. Kept moving my stop. Wah, 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 wah. Yeah, I should have held the longs. Shit. Well, it is what it is. Is there more? Yeah, there is more above. It's probably gonna wick me and then fall, if fall at all. And we fell far from target. 884. No, I can't risk that much. Starting with a loser, not easy. Not easy. All right, we broke above. Delete this crap. All right, short two. What's the top? I'll buy him back. Reshort. Risk less. Got kicked again. Reshort. Risk the top. Actually above the Bollinger Band. 15, what, 10 minutes in. Turnaround, good. Not really good. That was not a good ding ding. Trading tools, not easy. Oh, it's gonna lick me. Well, easy comes, easy goes, fellas. Come on, do it. Not up there. Fuck. Well, this was an easy day. I'm $9 from the DOL. 9:42 and they fucking kicked me out. Man, stopping into the day suck. Hey, aren't you on Top Step TV and shit? Yeah, I failed the plan, bro. I was going along this, and let me clear out my orders so I don't get cooked on the $9. That'll be the end of the stream today. It was a quick one. They beat me up to submission, and not even 15 minutes after the bell. It's all Gucci. We come back stronger tomorrow. I'll play the outro now for everybody that watched me fail an easy day. Thank you for stopping by. Big love from your boy Doom. Be smart. Don't fade the trend. And protect your capital. Peace.